Hey guys, what's good? It's your boy Marz Munrogue, aka Amiri. I am today deciding to dye my hair platinum blonde. I'm gonna just go with the flow. I went to Sally, spent about 70 bucks. I was trying to do it from the YouTube way, but look, let's see how it go. Yeah, I thought I would document it and show y'all my process. Let's get it. Cap, I got the measuring bowl. I have the powder and I have the liquid to mix with it. The purple shampoo. Protein. It's just something after you do all your hair to make sure it's healthy at the end. So the first thing I'm gonna do, got the measuring cup, hair color kit. I got the booster that I'm gonna put inside of my developer lighting powder. Okay. See it too. I'm gonna assume that's where it goes. Got me powder today. I'm developer. She did say leave this on. If we want to work, I'm just leaving it. I'll also get one of these, but I thought this was just enough. And then I'm finished. Stir it up. Yellow. Mix it on the yellow. I say I'm nervous as shit. But this shit is, woo. It's strong. It's strong, yo. Move nothing. Layer it all up. Layer it all together. Purple shampoo and just to get some of the yellow out, and then we'll tone it. I tend to do that. Whoa. Whoa. That's hope because like the head don't have any color. I'm bright as a bee. Open the odor. But then it open. I'm gonna do 2 picks of that. Put this whole bottle of toner, pale ash blonde. So let's spray. Right now I look like a banana, and I'm not feeling it. These are available in the bottle, so I'm hoping that. Yo, this is my first time doing this. So yeah, we're gonna use this up a little bit. And I'll be seeing what's from banana in the summer. Alright, y'all, so as y'all can see, a lot of color. Yo, wow. I overslept, but look. It's definitely where it needs to be at. Platinum blonde. I put the toner in and I let the toner sit in. There, all of this.